Good morning, Kinder Cobras. It's Mrs. Stefaniak. I hope you're all doing well. Well, you're working in your packets, and I saw that you have a new sound this week, and it sounds like X, and it's the letter X, right? And it makes the X sound. Like you can hear it at the end of the word fox. Do you hear the X sound? Very good. Okay, so we're going to do a quick word building today, okay? So let's go over our letters first. Ready? Okay. X, P, F, oh, here's a vowel, O, and another vowel sound, I. Okay, so these are our letters, okay? And we're going to hear the short vowel sound for the O and the I, okay? So I'd like you to just name the letters for me now while I point to them, okay? Okay, ready? Excellent job. Now do it backwards, okay? Good job, I heard you. I'm going to do it one more time with you, okay? X, P, F, oops, sorry, O, and I. Very good. Now we're going to say the sounds that the letters make. And our focus sound this week is X. Everybody say it. X, ah, I. Very good. Let's try it again. X, ah, I. Good job. You ready to do it by yourself? Okay, I want to hear you nice and loud. Ready? Good job. I heard you. Okay, now we are going to start our word building. Okay, are you ready? Okay, I'm going to bring down my F, bring down my O, oop, oop, and bring down my X. What's the word? Ox, fox. Good job. Ox, fox. Good job. Okay, I'm going to take away my vowel. I'm going to take away my O and bring down the I. What's the word? Fix. Fix. Good job. Good job. Now I'm going to take away my F. This is a little harder without my pocket chart. And bring down my P. What's the word? Pix. Pix. P-ix. Pix. Nice job. Now I'm going to take away my I and bring down my O. What's the word? Ox. Pox. Good job. Pox. Okay, now we are going to write the words that we built because it's really important that we practice those sounds. So can you grab a pencil and paper? And if you need to pause me, you can, but I'm going to go on. So I have my paper here, and we're going to write 4 words and 1 sentence today, okay? So I'm going to number 1 to 4. I'm going to just draw some lines for myself. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Get your papers ready like that. You could pause if you need to, okay? And then I'm going to put my smiley face at the bottom and draw a nice line for my sentence. Doesn't have to be perfect, okay? So number 1, the first word I want you to write is the word fox. Fox. Ah. fox, fox. Number 2, I want you to write the word fix. Fix. Good job. Number 3, I want you to write the word pix. We hear that x sound at the end of each word. Very good. Number 4, write the word pox. P-A-X. Good job. Okay, are you ready to be a teacher? You're going to check the words with me. Are you ready? Fox, F-O-X. Give yourself a check if it's right, or fix it. Fix, F-I-X. Pix, P-I-X. Pox, P-O-X. Okay, and now we're going to write a sentence. Okay, I want you to listen first. Sentence might have one of your sight words in it. It's I have a yellow box. Oh, I think there's 2 sight words in this. Okay, so we're going to write this. Ready? Beginning of your sentence has a capital. I have a yellow box. What do we need at the end of our sentence? Ah, very good. A period for this. I have a yellow box. Okay, I want you to circle the 2 sight words that you see in that sentence that you were working on this week. Very good. Have. What's the other sight word? Yellow. And can you circle your focus sound for the week? Who can find the focus sound in that sentence? Very good. The X. And what does it say? X. Well, I'm going to tell you what. I think we did a great job today. I'm so proud of you. Thanks for working with Mrs. Stefaniak. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.